Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here. I wanted to create this video to really just introduce myself and my bigger mission to you. My name is Kerry Dutton. I run Her Money Vibe. I'm a business coach, entrepreneur, serial entrepreneur, a mum of two boys, and I really just wanted to share with you why I created this channel and to welcome you in and also explain what this channel is all about. So the reason I have decided to create my channel and share some value with you is because I have a big mission. My mission is to really raise the conscious wealth of entrepreneurs around the globe. And I'll share with you a bit about my story and how this came to be. But I've always known that knowing accounting and knowing money is a very important skill set in life. I have worked for 15 years building my financial IQ by becoming a chartered accountant and working for the big four accounting firms for over 15 years. Now, during that time, I learned a lot about corporates, listed companies, and I also managed to travel the globe on secondment to Canada. I learned a lot around what makes a business work, how businesses record profits, and how really the main thing that's really important to business success is cash flow. My passion is to help entrepreneurs create their own business and to scale and profit really well by using the right strategies so that one, they don't burn out, two, they really focus on showing up as a leader and an expert in their niche, and three, so they can build a lifestyle business that generates multiple streams of income and allows them to finally tap into leverage and truly build a freedom business. So welcome to my channel. I'll just share with you my story of what happened when I finally decided to take a chance on myself and to start my own business. So when I was 30, I really was yearning to have another child, and I just knew that I didn't want to have a child and have to put my baby in kindy and go back to work full time. It was just pulling on my heartstrings. So I made a commitment to myself that I would get out of the corporate world and really start making steps into creating my own business. Now, although was very successful in leadership roles in the corporate world, I really didn't know how to sell myself. I was unsure how to build my own network and reach my clients. So my biggest problem was, what business strategy do I follow to launch my business? And I'll share with you a bit of the struggles that I experienced. And these are the very struggles that I help, now that I've overcome them, help my clients overcome. So I basically first started out, I invested in a mentor, which is a very good idea when you're starting a business. And I started along the track of building my list. The strategy I followed was very, very time consuming, costly, and required a lot of energy. I was running events, half-day workshops, networking, and learning how to grow my Facebook group. I did this very successfully and grew my Facebook group from 0 to 1,200 members in just under 12 months. Now, this is incredible, right? By that time, I had taken on a VA and I was starting to automate a lot of my social media. The problem was I could see that the cash flow in my business was suffering. I was spending money on social media and my virtual assistant, and I didn't really have a lockdown offer. I was running events. I was doing a lot of done for you work. And it was only at one of my half-day events where I was running vision board workshops that I had a beautiful woman come up to me and ask how she can be coached by me. And it was in that one moment that I finally got the guidance, the go ahead to step into coaching. My lessons and learnings are that you just need to get very clear on who you are, how to package up your offer. And this is what I teach my clients in strategy sessions. So through my 5 years of being a coach, I have learned so much around how to build a list organically and through paid ads, how to create lead magnets, how to show up in video, how to package up value offers and create multiple programs, how to launch an online course. And I really also coach my clients in branding as well. Because now that we have online businesses, it is so important that you become your brand and then you also express your brand in a very consistent way and a way that is very clear so that you attract your soul clients. So welcome you to my channel. I'm so excited to share more videos with you. I am going to be focusing on money mindset, business strategy, how to brand yourself from your soul, money objections and money mindset techniques, affirmations, basically anything to elevate your conscious wealth and to help you add more income into your life. And who doesn't need more money in their world? Because money is powerful. Money allows you to have more choices. One of my passions is to really help financial coaches to add extra value-added services so that they can turn the money talk and the money education into something more of an embodiment. I also help spiritual coaches to overcome a lot of those historical money blocks around being able to charge for their services. And I also help, women who are coaches in all different areas, in fitness, in healing, in finance, to create a business that is low tech, that they can monetize straight away and build an online course. So welcome to my channel. I look forward to seeing your comments, and please make sure if you love my mission that you comment below and share yours with me. And make sure you subscribe. And also, I would really appreciate you sharing the love and sharing my channel with women in your life, coaches in your life that could really use this elevation, this new way of thinking about money and business strategy, just to help the mission along. If you want to reach out to me, make sure you book a call with me. If you want to be a podcast guest on my Her Money Vibe podcast, then I have an application link for you as well. Welcome to my world, and I look forward to connecting with you.